Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another motorcycle unboxing. And what we have today is something very special from one of the great local brands here in Brooklyn, New York, and that's ALMS NYC. I first came across this bag on Kickstarter, and it looked like an incredible product, and I've been really interested in it ever since, and I got a chance to check it out. So without further ado, let's pull this out and take a look at it. Ta-da! So what we have here is a 12-liter waxed canvas tail bag, and it's made out of the exterior is made out of a 12-ounce waxed cotton. It feels super sturdy, really well made, great quality stitching. And actually, dare I say, the quality of stitching seems better than Kriega. And Kriega is what I use now, and that's kind of like my standard in a way. So in the bag, you get your 12-liter bag and some straps to attach it to the bike, but more on that later. Let's just take a look at the construction and finish. It's a beautiful bag. It's waterproof, so the exterior is waterproof, and it's also roll top, so all your stuff will stay dry. And the bag can fit up to a 13-inch MacBook Pro, which is pretty damn good. Beautiful. And it has a zipper under here, a little hidden pocket of sorts. Nice finish on the inside. I'm very much looking forward to putting this on my bike and seeing how that does. And ideally, I'm gonna use this as my day trip bag and also as my drone trip bag, because a Mavic Pro with a remote and a couple of batteries and other things would fit perfect into this bag. So besides the bag, there's also some straps, and these are the straps. Move the bag and take a look at them. So the idea is simple. You literally, there's a loop at the end, you loop it like this to the frame of your bike, and you use this little buckle to attach the bag. It has a lot of really cool features. Besides the fact that you could technically wear it as a little backpack, you can also put stuff under here, strap it all down. It all, see, as you can tell, it all strips down. So this whole section actually can be removed altogether. Boom, for a cleaner look, if that is what you want. But I do kind of like the crisscross straps. Yeah, so the next step will be to install it on the bike and see how it looks. I really recommend you guys go on almsnyc.com and check out what other stuff they have. They have some backpacks, they have some tote bags, they have a lot of really cool leather goods such as Easy Pass holders and other things. So definitely check them out. I am also a huge fan of the actual packaging. Attention to detail is down to the sleeve that it comes in. It comes vacuum packed. I couldn't wait and opened it up, but even the packaging is spot on. So one final thing I want to show you about the bag is how to put it on the bike. In this case, I got my Monster 620 and I removed the rear cowl. So you place the bag on the back seat. You have 4 of these straps. So you take this end here and I put it through a hard loop, just like that. These are grab handles for the passenger, and they're perfect for strapping bags to. And then you take your little buckle thing and put it through here. Same thing. You go just like so. You put the buckle through. This tightens up. And here you go. Then you quickly just repeat the process on the other side. You take your buckle, just like that, you put it in here, boom. So then you take your final and 4th strap, put it through here, just like so, and into the last buckle. At which point you tighten up the whole assembly, just like that.
these things can be tucked away, so the whole thing looks nice and neat. There you go. I've been riding with this bag for about 6 months and I'm a big fan. It's perfect for little day trips, for little drone adventures and whatnot. I like it. Can't say enough good things about this bag. ALMS did a good job.